What's up, y'all? Hey, it's me, Angie B, back again with another video. And today, y'all can do a come along with me. I'm about to go hang out with one of my favoriteest cousins in the world, Vidal, aka Videezy. And we're just gonna go and have a good day. It's Memorial Day weekend. You know, we're trying to live out our 20s the right way. So, he's taking me somewhere. Let's see where the day takes us. Alright, y'all, so he took me to the gun range, and this one looked bougier than the last one I went to, you know. So let's see what it looked like in there. I can already hear the gunshots outside. Ugh, this is triggering me. Ooh, this is nice. Look at this, y'all. Look at this. And that's my cousin. Say hey, Videezy. Alright, y'all, so it's ladies' night here, even though it's daytime. But because they close early, they still like accept the I guess the special. So I only had to pay $10. But Vidal, he is now back there playing with guns. I don't mean it like that. But guys are like little kids when it comes to guns. Like they got Nerf guns all over again. But I'm excited. We waiting because it's packed, I guess. Yeah, I don't know which ones I did. I don't know which one he did. So we was hitting that thing.
Yep, all's good.
Back it back.
They got off safe.
I did that. I did that. I did that.
Well,
Now we are at one of my favorite places.